lungs aren't strong enough for sawdust yet, so I'm not going to be doing any of that, but I am doing a little prep work and stuff in here. And I thought I would show you some of the goodies I picked up when I was a SWAT. I wanted to try this. It's from Hampshire Sheen, the Danish finishing oil, just because it's food and toy safe, it says, and I just wanted to give it a try. It looks like it's pretty stuff. I picked up a set of cold jaws for my SC4, so I can put those on when the time comes that I need them. I also wanted to try this Hampshire Sheen. I've been wanting to try it for some time now, but so I picked up a couple of Martin's products, the Danish finishing oil, the Hampshire Sheen, and 4 tins of embellishing wax. I got the gold, the silver, the white, and the blue, just because I want to give those a go. And you know me and my experimentation with color, so we'll see what happens with those. And of course, I got some stickers from Martin. I'll be putting those up on the sticker board. I've got other stickers to put up there too. I don't think I've put Robin's up there yet either. And pretty much only complaint about the 2014 is it comes with that little short rest, which isn't big enough sometimes. So I bought this robust tool rest, 12-inch, to go over there. It's got the short post on it, which is what I need for the 2014. So I'm going to be giving this some workout as well. And it just wouldn't be going to SWAT without buying a Thompson tool. And y'all know I've been working with thin parting tools. Well, this one's not very wide. It's a little thicker than I like. It's right at about 1/8 of an inch. But this may work out all right. It's 3/8 of an inch this way. So I may try that and make a new jig to fit it. I'll wait and see. We'll see what happens with this one. And that's pretty much it. I didn't break the bank this year. I didn't spend a whole lot of money, comparatively anyway. So that's pretty much that. And I pulled or tore a muscle down here, coughing 2 nights ago. So that's not good either. Anyway, so I'm not going to get anywhere near sawdust for probably the rest of the week. And I've got a family funeral to go to this coming weekend. So I probably am not going to be able to get into the shop for anything serious until later in the week if my lungs clear up. But I appreciate y'all's patience and hanging in there with me. And I promise I will be back to the lathe just as quickly as I can.